back-to-back events, back-to-back winning. I think you've won like 5 titles this year, Randy. You're sweeping. You're cleaning up. Your thoughts on this particular match, though?
This particular match was very good level. I wanted to work on some stuff, especially since last week, and Nico played well. I thought it was a very tightly contested 6-2. It wasn't anything easy. We had some really good rallies, really good points. He had me on the back foot sometimes. So overall, I was really happy with my performance.
Yeah, I thought it was better points. I tried a different game plan, or to stay more solid with my game plan. It worked here and there, but you can see that he's very good in the big match moments, and that's something I need to improve on, and sticking to the game plan and remaining solid. I had my chances, but he again deserved the win as he was a better player tonight.
I've known Shay. We have always come a long way. Final, she beat me for the past few tournaments, but today I decided to come out and play the best of my ability. Of course, I won the first set. It was very close. Third set, second set, up 3-love, and then unfortunately she had to retire because of injury.
Played really well. However, I have a wrist injury and shoulder injury that I've been suffering over a year now, but I still continue to play. It was really tough, but I still tried to pull through, which did not happen this time around. So I had to forfeit my match.